That's so cool. I would wear that.
I would wear that set on the street in the city. I'd wear it at the farm.
Yeah.
Like, I'm
Yeah,
Good.
I think it's
really good.
Yes, she is selling.
Oh my God.
I just saw the flowers on the other side. That's really pretty.
For me, this is just a pretty dress that somebody stuck
fine.
flowers on.
And 2, 1, and go.
Oh my God, it's divine.
so fun.
Whoa.
I love the
Oh
pant.
my God.
The crown is gorgeous.
Is she holding it up?
She is holding it up.
It's probably very heavy and a little
That's
unstable.
I'm not angry at that.
That's fine.
Gag.
But I would wear those pants.
I would wear this much for sure.
Wow.
The skirt is beautiful. It did not look like that yesterday, or even this morning.
Do you see the fabric like seeping through though?
I love how the fabric is like another part of the leaves. It's actually straight out of nature.
Okay, guys, get ready for the finale, and we're going.
They all have the orange pocket, the orange coming through at the end, the orange
and the neon
makeup.
green.
His bow tie is moss. The trimming on the glove is moss. The story is cohesive.
Yeah, it is.
Whimsical Garden!